Assalamu alaikum. In this video today I'm going to teach you different kind of the Arabic words, and with the help of these Arabic words you can speak Arabic and you can make different kind of Arabic sentences. Today the first one word I'm telling you, hal. Hal means what. The second one word is istati. Istati means can. Third one word is tatahaddis. Tatahaddis mean talk or conversation. You can also use this one word in different kind of the wording, like you can talk and istati tatahaddis, can you speak like this. The next one word is lugat. Lugat means language. And the next word is surati. Surati means speed. When you will use speedily or speedily, you will use basuratili. Basurat, basurati. Speedily, basurati. Now, when we will compose these all kind of the sentences, hal anta istati, hal anta istati تتحدث من لغة العربية بصورتي. It means, can you speak in Arabic language speedily? Look, when you will learn these all different kind of the words, hal means what, istati, can. Istati will write like this. This is, we have to put ain here. This is ain. Istati, can. Tatahaddis, talk or conversation. Lugat, language. Surati, speed. Basurati, speedily. When we'll make or composition these all different words of Arabic, like hal anta istati tatahaddis min al-lughat al-arabiyati basurati. This is a question mark. It means, can you speak in Arabic language speedily? I hope you people will do practice of all Arabic words and you can speak Arabic as well as you can understand the Quran very easily. Thank you.